Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to set up custom aspect ratio for your video clip in CapCut. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do when you drag the video clip into your timeline right here, for you to create a custom aspect ratio, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on ratio right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on customized. Now, when you click on customize, it's going to take you right here. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to set up your new aspect ratio. Let's say, for instance, I want to make this about I want to make this aspect ratio to be 250 by 1000. Then I'm going to click on the frame rate right here. I'm going to put it in 25 frame rate. Then I'll go ahead and click on save. Then in a few seconds, it's going to give me a new aspect ratio right here. So if I come to the video right here, so you can see we have a custom aspect ratio right here, just like what you see right here. So I can scale up my video right here and then adjust the video based on the new aspect ratio that was just set. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.